Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again, and of course we will be checking out the market again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, and of course do your own personal practice. Okay, you should practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out all of these assets, and of course everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something big. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and right from here the market was on downtrend and range around there for a while. It's trying to see if it will break out below the support zone or it will go for a CIT, and of course after getting to this support zone it went for a CIT, and of course you can see it started an uptrend right from here. You can see the yellow flag. We had the opportunity to come in around there and again around there and again around there and again around there. Okay, but it has gotten to this resistance zone, was unable to break out above it, so it started a downtrend. You can see the red flag and a red arrow, which signifies a sell, so we are most likely to be having more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500, and of course this started an uptrend even though there are major upbacks in between, but got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out above it, and of course it is selling at the moment. The movement is not that smooth, but it is more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. Right from this resistance zone it started a downtrend, and of course we got more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, but it got to this support zone, was unable to break out below it, and it's starting an uptrend right now. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Let's check out crash 500 right now. Okay guys, this is crash 500, and of course from the resistance zone it started a downtrend, got to this region, pullback, and of course went back down, and of course it's so till it got to this support zone, so it's unable to break out below this, and of course it's trying to go back on uptrend, but we need it to break out above this particular resistance zone. Once it breaks out above it, then definitely it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The last asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75. It had been on downtrend for long, got to this support zone, was unable to break out below it, so it started an uptrend, and of course trying to break out from this resistance zone. Once it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more, so this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora detectorK, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and of course if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.